Okay, we got a lot going on over here. Lots of trucks, lots of people putting up the rest of the scaffolding. They started yesterday. So we got a few trucks here. And then job site. Coming up here. Lots of people getting this prepped. Getting it all prepped up. A brand new one we're done. Okay, everybody. This is what they're going through to get to your bottom stucco. They're putting in the metal flashing at the bottom. It's a stainless steel flashing, so it waterproofs your foundation edge. And they're putting the nether wheat scrape with new matte lap. Then they just put the moisture tape in there, so no moisture gets in there. There's another guy going this way. And then they chipped it all the way like this at the bottom. So they're down to, there's the mud seal right there where water could leak in, right here down at the bottom. So that was lower than the dirt. So stop for moisture problems. Guys working on it, getting all prepped. They're opening up the walls where these big cracks were in the walls. So this is all a primer, so the stucco sticks. Your new stucco sticks. There's one guy down there waving to everybody. This is what it looks like going on. That's up their pressure wash yesterday. All this come off. We're priming the walls. There's two guys back here. Again, here's a good example. That's your mud seal, and from here to here is almost 4.5 inches below it. That was about 4.5 inches below grade, your stucco, where it enters that first mud seal on the foundation going into the house. That's moisture problems. These guys, all these guys do is scaffolding all day long, and then protecting all the ground. So I'm gonna get appliances in here. It was gonna be the end of this week, but I'm gonna let these guys have it for lunch. But the appliances will be delivered probably about next Wednesday or so. I already talked to Aaron and Tina, so we're good to go. Then we'll be able to lock them up. So they'll be here later today. Actually tomorrow, locksmith. It's my story, and I'm sticking to it, guys. Hope everybody's doing well. We're rocking it, rolling it. Thanks, guys.